ultimately your business depends on your people. You can try doing everything yourself, but you're never going to get to this next level, which is the freedom level. They want to get to the point where the business kind of runs itself, where they can take more time off and go on vacation a lot more. Some people may be a little bit more mature and thinking, well, maybe I don't want to work nearly as much. Maybe I want to kind of semi-retire, or maybe even get my business ready to sell, depending on where you're at. Ultimately, you have to break yourself free of the business. Now, every time we talk about freedom from the business, we have some people that are just like, I love what I do. Why would I want to do anything else? Or why would I want to be free of the business? And I think that's a little short-sighted, because ultimately your business should not be your life. Your business is there to support your dreams, to support the hobbies that you want, the time with your family, and all of those other things. You may not feel it right now because maybe you're in that growth phase and you're beating your chest, just really charging forward, and you may not be ready for the freedom phase. But trust me, as someone who said I would never slow down, I love what I do, I would never think about taking extra time away. You get to a certain point where something happens in your life when you say, you know what, what's the most important thing is the ability to have the choice to work 60 hours a week or work 2 hours a week. That then becomes a choice, and it only comes when you get the foundation put together so that you can make it to that top. A lot of people try to circumvent that, and they're still working on the profitability, but they want to work 10 hours a week. Let me tell you, unfortunately, let me burst your bubble right now, it does not work. In the 30 years I've been working with shops, I've never seen anybody struggle with profits and not be working at the shop trying to fix everything. We want you to be as free as possible from your business if that's where your desire is, but trust me, we have to go through these steps first.